If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your gaming experience. This guide will help you resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch 2 website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through your gaming platform, Battle.net, console, etc., and install any available patches. Step 4. Clear cache. For PC players, clearing the cache can help. Navigate to the Battle.net launcher settings, find the option to clear the cache, and restart the launcher. This can resolve loading issues caused by corrupted files. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Overwatch 2. This can fix any corrupted game files that may be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Overwatch 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.